Hi guys, so I'm very fortunate with this channel. I get to be involved in a variety of sort of Kickstarters, and I get access to some awesome miniatures, just like the ones you can currently see on the screen. But don't worry if you don't have a 3D printer, as you can also get the physical figures for this campaign, which is just awesome. And talking of campaigns, this one's Revenants Run, and it's by iDemo Games, and all the miniatures you're about to see were sculpted by Lazy Squire Games. So there's full links down below guys to where you can get more information about the campaign, and there's also a link to where you can get hold of 2 free STLs from iDemo Games, just so you can see the quality in these. And I say the amount of miniatures they've got coming out is just, well, it's amazing. And as well as obviously you've just been able to print these out for your own sort of like tabletop games, as I'll be using some of these for some kill teams, this is also one-page rules compatible with cards for 2 full factions. So as you can see on the screen, obviously all the miniatures do have corresponding cards with all the stats for the figures, which is just great. And as I just mentioned, I am going to be using some of these figures to make up a couple of kill teams. So keep an eye out for some videos coming up soon about that as well guys. And as I mentioned earlier, the great thing with this campaign is, say you don't need a 3D printer. You can get all the physical figures sent to you. And in the next video guys, you'll see one of the figures as, yeah, I'm going to get one sent to me. So I just want to say a big shout out and thank you to iDemo Games, because obviously they are sponsoring this channel, and say I am getting early access to lots of miniatures, which is, well, why I love my job. So when I was initially contacted, I was told I could have a good old look through and choose whichever miniatures I wanted. And well, that kind of took me a while to sort of whittle it down to just 3. As you can see, these are the 3 that I've gone for, so a little bit of variety in their look. But yeah, all nice, beefy, chunky warriors, which yeah, is a kind of figures that I love. So you may have noticed over the last month or so that I've been trying out a whole load of new resins, and yeah, so this is the one I'm currently using for these miniatures. It's by Sunlu. It's their solid grey. Yeah, as I say, it does make quite a difference. There's different kind of resins. So yeah, I'm going to keep trying them, keep letting you know what they're like, and then obviously, well, you can see what they're like before you buy them. But don't forget, anything I do say about sort of anything that's been sent to me, I do use my own words and I say if I like it or if I don't like it. So straight away you can see these miniatures just peel off these supports, which I always find is a great sign of a good company that makes miniatures, as yeah, they put a lot of detail and care into, well, the supports. So as you can see, the old resin, yeah, it's got a bit of flex to his sword there, which is always good, because the one criticism about a lot of resins is they're quite fragile. You can print things out and they feel like they're made of china, so you drop them, they're going to just shatter. But yeah, initially this Sunlu resin, yeah, got a bit of flex to it, so not too bad at all. Yeah, these miniatures, I say these these work extremely well for slap chop painting, guys, because as you can see, there is so much detail in these, and obviously you can see even more once they've been dry brushed in white. Yeah, you can just see all that lovely crisp detail in these. Say this obviously makes painting a lot easier when you're slap chopping, because well, it's all those little details that make the paints really pop and look really awesome. So as these guys aren't from the same sort of regiment, they're all going to get painted a little bit different. But I say I have recently just chosen some miniatures to make up a kill team. And my current preferred kill team, I like playing the intercessors, just because they're nice, easy, solid, and yeah, gameplay is fun with them. So I can't wait to see the quality of the miniature that's going to get sent out to me, as obviously I'm sure they're going to be using printers better than mine, and they are going to be using a resin that is more have a feel of sort of your normal kind of miniatures you'd buy from the shops, I guess. But if you do have a 3D printer, yeah, don't forget to check the link out down below and, well, print one of these out for yourself and see just how good they are. So the Kickstarter itself, it starts on September the 12th. But again, there's a link down below so you can click on that and you can get a bit more information before, obviously, the Kickstarter does go live. And yeah, I'll be doing another video in about a week or so's time with, yeah, some robots that I'm really looking forward to doing. As, yeah, they're going to make a good kill team. Especially when sort of put into the backdrop of the Into the Dark sort of board game that I'm currently using. So I've not yet played the one-page rules grimdark future sci-fi battle game, but say these are sort of fully compatible with that, and they all have their own unit stat cards which you can you download and obviously print off. So guys, yeah, if anyone's played the one-page rules grimdark game, let me know what it's like. So I've not played it yet. I've heard lots about it. It does seem like something I would be interested in. But I think, as we know, I do go a bit mad on games, as in, well, kill teams. I am hooked and mad on that, and I think I must have or painted around about 20 different kill teams. A lot of them been proxies, so I've had fun making up sort of different kind of looking figures for the operatives. But that's why these these miniatures are just amazing to use as proxies for, well, all kinds of board game figures that you use. So obviously for me it is the kill team, and yeah, I am definitely going to be printing out some more of these. But yeah, guys, look out for the robot one, just because, well, they are cool looking robots. So I've kept the paint into these ones quite simple, as obviously they've got lots of armour on these dudes, and I love the look of the armour. So the colour I'm using here is a lovely looking blue. I think it's called Magic Blue, and well, yeah, it's definitely one of my favourite blues to use. As you'll know, guys, whenever I use the contrast and speed paints, there's definitely ones that work better than others, and yeah, this is definitely a good one. But as you saw earlier, I did actually paint the cloaks with a normal sort of bone sort of paint, and that's, again, this is where some of the speed paints don't seem to work too well, especially the lighter ones. So yeah, I prefer to do cloaks, teeth, some sort of even ropes as well, or bindings with like the normal paint that I've got, normal white paint, or say bone colour. Yeah, and then add a wash afterwards. Okay, that's enough waffling. Let's see these guys in all their glory. Don't forget to check out the links down below, guys, as I'm sure you're going to be as blown away as I was when I first saw all the miniatures that they do. And the fact they do so many, but they're all so intricate, and yeah, so much definition in every piece, which is just amazing. So you really are getting quantity, but, well, with quality with these miniatures. I just want to say a big shout out and thank you again to iDemo Games for for including me in this Kickstarter, supporting this channel, sponsoring this video, and obviously giving me access to loads and loads of miniatures, which is just, yeah, I love doing this channel. It's awesome. I'm like a big kid in the toy shop. So I just want to say a big shout out and thank you to obviously all my lovely patrons and Chaos Cards and the Colour Forge for helping to sort of support the channel every month. It really does mean a lot to me, as obviously I can continue having fun and making some, well, fun videos. Well, I hope they're fun. It would be great if you can click on the other video and see more of what I do. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.